all that junk.
I'ma make you work, make you work, make you work. Check it out. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. It's better than boys to God, boys to God. It's better than yours. Boys to God, boys to God. It's better than.
Make you lose control.
Chubby waist, thick legs in shape, wrong shaking both ways, make you do a double take. We gon' make you lose control and let it go, but you know you gon' hit the floor. Work me, work me, work me, work me, do it right. Work me, do it right.
Let's get it on. Yo, what? Find out bugs up my face. I know you lying. Let's get it on. Get it on the floor. Get it on the floor. Get it on the floor. You don't wanna party, then your ass gotta go. Don't wanna party, then your ass gotta go. That's what the ball bounce, that's what the ball break down. Let's get it on. Get it on the floor. 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 Once again, it's the dog.
Of course, all the hardcore heads, this one goes out to you.